So we have Punjab Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu speaking at this point. Let's listen in.
Say that there is no need to apologize by Navjot Singh Sidhu. So they are very sure. There are some of the leaders, they have openly said that instead of asking Navjot Singh Sidhu to apologize, there is a need for Captain Amrinder Singh to not force him to for apologize. And at the same time, what we have learned from the sources there that the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, he has already made it very clear till the time he is not going to apologize that he will not having the meeting. So rift has already been widened, but at the same time, these pictures which we are showing to our viewers, these are the clear pictures that show of strength is being shown by Navjot Singh Sidhu that all is well in Punjab Congress. So that's why we can see that the previous Congress chief Sunil Jakhar along with Navjot Singh Sidhu, they have already come, and some of the ministers, the cabinet minister, 3 cabinet ministers are the main prominent figures here. Those who had played the whole script, those who have written the Sidhu, that one is Sukhjinder Randhawa, another is Rajinder Bajwa and Sukh Sarkaria. These 3 leaders were very close to Captain Amrinder Singh earlier, and they were the kingmaker behind whole scene. So today that we have seen that they are more vocal, and even Pargat Singh, he was also saying that there is no need to apologize, and first the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, apologized for this because he feels that Captain Amrinder Singh to deliver the vaccine, and that's why the whole controversy is being erupted. So we can see that
गुरु गुरु बच्चे खड़े हैं इतने ठीक नहीं लगा प्लीज
apologize पे controversy हो गई अभी कोई controversy. So we can see Sunil Jakhar says that at this place, especially that this religious place at Golden Temple, it is not looking good to speak on the political issues. So that's why we can see these live pictures. We are also going along with the delegation which has come, and huge show of strength. We can see these live pictures. So I request you to show each and every. At the same time that we have seen that they have already so well we can see that
So there, my colleague Gulpreet actually reporting from Amritsar, where Sidhu has in fact reached Golden Temple. He is there to pay his respects at the temple, but also in fact being flanked by a number of MLAs and Congress leaders over there. He's, as we know, he's scheduled to meet over 60 MLAs today in Punjab. He is planning to meet them at his residence. Ahead of that you can see that he is actually having this public show of strength, going to Amritsar, again flanked by a lot of his supporters. Remember, this comes in at a time when the Punjab Chief Minister has in a way openly snubbed him for the first time. That the Punjab Chief Minister's office has clearly said that there's no meeting possibility with Sidhu till Sidhu apologizes for his comments earlier. So there, as we can in fact see that there is of course a lot of developments which are taking place in Punjab amid the Congress infighting which continues over there, despite the High Command, the Congress High Command actually trying to douse the tensions between Captain Amrinder Singh, the Punjab Chief Minister, and Navjot Sidhu, the Congress leader who has recently been elevated to the position of the Punjab Congress Chief. Sidhu there in Amritsar visiting the Golden Temple and will be meeting several Congress MLAs today.
यहाँ पे नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि पार्टी में सब कुछ ठीक है, पर वहीं अगर बात करें चीफ मिनिस्टर पंजाब कैप्टन अमरिंदर की, वो यहाँ पे नहीं है, वो मिसिंग है इस समय। और कल उन्होंने ट्वीट करके बोला था, लाइव आ रहे हैं।
So there This is, of course, Sidhu's visit to the Golden Temple just ahead of his meeting with the Congress MLAs. Remember that he's scheduled to meet around 62 Congress MLAs, including some ministers today. This is a sort of mega show of strength by Navjot Sidhu, even at a time when he's been officially snubbed by the Punjab Chief Minister for the first time openly since Sidhu's elevation as the Punjab Congress Chief. Amrinder Singh's office has in fact clearly said that there's no question of meeting Navjot Sidhu. There's no question of the CM meeting Navjot Sidhu till Sidhu apologizes for his derogatory comments made against the Punjab Chief Minister earlier. So you can see that instead of actually the tensions in any way diffusing between these two leaders in Punjab. And remember, this is of course spelling trouble for Congress ahead of the assembly elections, the very key assembly elections in Punjab, which are scheduled to be held next year. They would ideally want the faction war to end, and which is the reason why Sidhu's elevation was part of a compromise formula that the Congress High Command had worked out. Amrinder Singh, the Punjab Chief Minister, had said that he is willing to accept the decision of the High Command, but nonetheless, it's particularly with meeting Sidhu, his office has clearly ruled it out till there's an official apology which comes in from Sidhu to Captain Amrinder Singh.
That controversy has already been erupted between the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Captain Amrinder Singh has made it very clear that till the time Navjot Singh Sidhu is not going to apologize publicly, he is not going to have any meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. But today we have seen that because a lot of numbers, that is the game of the numbers, a lot of numbers, the Navjot Singh Sidhu camp is overcharged. They say that there is no need to apologize by Navjot Singh Sidhu, and he is the Congress chief at this point of time. And moreover, the Pargat Singh categorically stated that if there is any issue of apology, first the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, he should apologize to the public of Punjab, because he has not been able to deliver the promises to Punjab, and after that we will see that how the development will take place. But at the same time, one thing to our viewers is is very, very important. The rift has already been widened, so we can see that and Minister, they have already turned up here in favor of Navjot Singh Sidhu. But what we are learning from the sources, that from the party high command, diktat has already been issued to all the MLAs and ministers.
So there you have it, Gurpreet. They're giving us a ground report about the situation in Amritsar. Sidhu still at the Golden Temple there, having this visiting the Golden Temple just ahead of his mega meeting with the Punjab Congress MLAs, and this of course is being seen as a public show of strength by Navjot Sidhu. Remember, he has actually been having a series of meetings over the past several days now. Ever since that announcement was made about his elevation, he's met Congress leaders almost on a daily basis and has in fact released pictures of these meetings very publicly on his social media handles also, or otherwise as well, always been around cameras. So while on the one hand we can see Sidhu meeting Congress leaders very publicly, and even now coming out for a show of strength here at Amritsar, Punjab Chief Minister in a way staying a little bit in the background, but also at the same time refusing to meet Navjot Sidhu over their differences.